Principle of mathematical induction. In this module, you will learn about the principle of mathematical induction. Consider flipping a coin. Every time you do it, the coin always comes down. So, you conclude that when you will flip the coin next time, it will also come down. If you observe that the outcome is same many times and conclude that it will be true for all instances is known as inductive reasoning. Thus, induction or inductive reasoning involves applying specific instances to conclude general principles. Induction is often contrasted with deduction. To understand deduction, again consider the case of flipping a coin. According to Newton's law, everything that is thrown up falls back on the earth. Thus, if you flip the coin, it must fall down. This arrival from general to specific case is known as deduction or deductive reasoning. Mathematical induction is one of the form of deductive reasoning. It is a mathematical proof to confirm that a given statement is true for all natural numbers. To understand the concept of this mathematical proof, consider a set of rectangular tiles lined up in a row. When the first tile is pushed towards the others, the second tile will also get the push if they are lined up correctly. Similarly, all the tiles will experience this push and fall, one after another. To be sure that every tile will fall, it is necessary to establish two facts. 1. The first tile falls. 2. The event that any kth tile falls, its successor, that is k plus 1th tile, will also definitely fall. Here underlies the principle of mathematical induction. Principle of mathematical induction states that if a mathematical statement involving the natural numbers is true for natural number 1, and if the statement is also true for natural number k, then it is true for k plus 1th natural number. The mathematical statement that is true for these cases is true for all the natural numbers. In this module you have learned that induction is defined as applying specific instances to conclude general principles. Deduction is defined as applying general principle to a specific case. Principle of mathematical induction states that if a mathematical statement involving the natural numbers is true for natural number 1, and if the statement is also true for natural number k, then it is true for k plus 1th natural number. Then the mathematical statement is true for all the natural numbers.